Today we are doing the Revolut for Crypto review. So Revolut offers a comprehensive platform for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, providing access to over 100 tokens, including popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. With just £1, you can start your crypto journey directly within the app. So for those seeking advanced trading capabilities, Revolut X is a dedicated crypto exchange platform. It offers analytical tools, lower fees, and reduced spreads, catering to more experienced traders. Now, security is paramount at Revolut. The platform is trusted with £18.1 billion in customer funds and boasts cutting-edge security features. In 2023 alone, Revolut's measures helped prevent more than £475 million worth of fraud. A standout feature is the ability to trade crypto directly from Revolut using their ramp service. With just a few clicks, your crypto can be transferred to your account or an external wallet, enhancing flexibility and control. In summary, to keep it short and brief, Revolut provides a user-friendly and secure platform for both new and seasoned cryptocurrency traders. Whether you're starting with a small investment or seeking advanced trading tools, Revolut's crypto services are designed to meet a wide range of needs. Thank you for joining us. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.